Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss NASDAQ chart analysis with precision. NASDAQ chart analysis with precision. All right, I'm on a 30-minute time frame, and I'm going to do things a little bit different today because normally we start from a higher time frame and then we drop it down to the lower time frame. Today, talking about NASDAQ chart analysis with precision, I'm going to start from a lower time frame and I will move to the higher time frame. All right, so we may say down, top. Okay, technical analysis. Normally we say top down. Today we are doing a down tops technical analysis from the lower time frame to the higher time frame. All right. So what I'm looking for anytime we are looking at a chart on any time frame, we want to check the market patterns. There are three market patterns: the horizontal channel, the rising channel, and the declining channel. So on this 30-minute time frame, I want to pay attention to the market pattern. And most importantly, I want to see, the variation, the changes in those market pattern, all right? So we see first the horizontal channel, the red horizontal channel on my chart. And anytime we see that the market pattern has changed, is highlighting the change in the market sentiment, all right? So we see various market pattern here, the horizontal channel, then we see the rising channel, and then we see again another horizontal channel. So talking about down top, a technical analysis, if you allow me to say that, we notice that there are market pattern that has been changing in this zone. So the price on this 30-minute time frame is acknowledging a key level. All right, so from the horizontal channel, we went to the rising channel. So horizontal channel to the rising channel means that it's bullish. All right, from horizontal to rising, it's bullish. Now we see from the rising channel to another, horizontal channel. So not only that, if you look carefully in this session here, you can see that we have now a triangle. Can you see the triangle? When we are talking about consolidation, we are talking about the horizontal channel. We are also talking about channels. You see, we are also talking about triangles. Okay, here it is. You see the triangle, the price is confined this triangle. And the strategy that the professionals are using now, they are buying on the edge of this triangle here. But what I say to traders is this, that whenever we see a triangle, we say that anything is possible. All right, so if it breaks, so we will say to traders at this point in time, the priority to bullish signal, above 4887, priority to bullish signal, only above 4887. Price will break above that key level, retest it. If we find a support, we'll give priority to bullish signal in that zone. But if we want to buy, where we are now, you need to buy along this blue trend line. So here, this is what's going on now. If I pull back to the edge of this rising channel, people are buying here because it's a consolidation in a triangle. So as soon as the price will come near this horizontal line here, in the zone of 4887, people will cash out and will try to sell it again. So that's why we say anything is possible. It can break above the orange line and then retest it. If you find a support, then it's good news for bullish traders. On the contrary, because we say anything is possible because we see a triangle, if it breaks below that triangle and retest the edge of it, we find a resistance, that will be a good news for bearish traders. So this is what we see on the 30-minute time frame. The market pattern is changing, all right? So which means the price is acknowledging a key level, all right? So this is what we see on the lower time frame. I'm going to go down to the yearly chart, straight away to the yearly chart. One thing you need to understand, professional, pay attention to what's going on the yearly chart. So which key level is the price acknowledging on a 30-minute time frame. All right? So we see the lower time frame is highlighting what is happening now. All right? Now, what is happening now? What is the cause or the origin or the source of what is happening on a 30-minute time frame? We can ask that question. There is one specific key level. What I've been saying to traders is that professional traders trade around key levels. Ordinary traders use stochastic and technical indicators. So there's a key level here. Here you see this. I don't want to change any of my line. So my apology to traders. I don't want to remove any of those lines. I need them. So it looks a bit messy, but it doesn't look messy to me yet. Okay, all right. So the high of this candle is the level that the price is acknowledging. Now you see this bearish candle on the yearly chart. That the high of that candlestick bar is at 4816. Do you know that most professional traders know that key level? Do you know most professional traders? So if, for instance, you are a specialist NASDAQ 100 index trader, and your supervisor call you in, which key level are you watching today? They will tell you straight away. They will tell you that key level is there, 4816. That's the level that all professional traders are watching. So there is a key level which the price is acknowledging on the 30-minute time frame. That's why we see all these changes, market pattern changing in the vicinity of that key level. In fact, that key level is corresponding to the low of the orange channel here. All right, it's corresponding, you see, 4816. Can you see? Can you see 4816? 4816. All right. That's the level. The low of that candle, that orange horizontal channel is 4816. Can put it on the chart now, 4816. Okay, that's the level that all the professional traders are monitoring now. They are monitoring the reactionary price here. So as the price was going up before it reached this zone, it started consolidating, acknowledging that key level 4816. It's amazing that a lot of traders out there are day trading, swing trading, and they don't want to know anything about key levels. It worries me. It worries me a bit that people are trading and they are trading blindly. So because if you don't know where are the key levels, you are trading blindly. As an ordinary trader, you are competing against the best traders out there. But the good news is that the best traders out there are trading around key levels. You want to know where are the key level too. So here it is. You see the consolidation around that key level, which is people, which means order has been placed here to sell NASDAQ 100. As the price reaches this level for 816, order has been filled. People orders sold. It was some people, the bullish traders, are buying to stop it to go down. But finally, you see, it came down. Whenever you see it move down like this after consolidation, it means that order has been filled to sell, and the NASDAQ 100 went down like this. But slowly, it managed to recover. You see, now they place it, the bullish traders are fighting back. So now we have another channel above the first horizontal channel. So the bullish traders say, we don't want it to be below the 4816 because they understand how people trade. That's why we say to trader, priority to bullish signal above 4816, priority to bear signal below. So the bullish trader do not want it to go below the 4816. Now the bearish trader place themselves here to sell. So they bury those who were selling here. Now where are the orders to sell? The orders to sell are here. The orders to sell are here. And the orders to buy are above the 4816. If it comes back below the 4816 and find a resistance, the bearish trader will be quite happy to sell it down until it reaches another key support level in the zone of 4662. You see, all these levels, we have them on the chart at the beginning of the year. That's why I said to you, I need those levels on my chart. You see here, I didn't draw this line today. I didn't draw this one also today. They were on the chart before because we want to know where are the key levels. 4816. So the price is acknowledging that key level. That's why we see all this reaction in the market. All right. Also this year, I recommend to traders to subscribe to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. It's going to be what? Amazing YouTube channel. So if you trade stocks, subscribe to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. If you know somebody else who trades stock, ask them to subscribe to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. It's going to be amazing YouTube channel. You can quote me on that, okay? All right, you can quote me on that. So recently, I recorded a video about Elliott wave, analyzing Elliott wave, I think for a TST trader that was asking me. So we counted 5 waves. So we see first wave, second wave, okay, and then we see that the third wave has been subdivided into 5 minor wave. 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. Now, there was some disagreement here about the wave count, but just to tell you that we counted wave, and I was telling traders that, okay, the 5th wave is still underway. So the question is now, are we now in the 5th wave for the NASDAQ 100? And I also put on my chart the least level here, 5408. I did not draw this line today, so that's why I say to you, I need all this line on my chart. It looks a bit messy, but I want them to be here, so it will remind me when I look at it and say, yes, this is where we are now, this is what's going on now. So we are now above that level 4816. We'll retest it. All right, pull back to retest 4816 before going up to the next target level at 5408. There is one more move up. But now, how far will it go up? That's the challenge. That's the challenge, all right? So between, so there are other key levels that I'll put another line on my chart today. Here it is, the median line between the red horizontal line here and the pink line. So I'll put another midpoint target right here for traders. Is that a midpoint? Somewhere in that zone. Good, I'll leave it there. And color it in turquoise. So we have a new key level, 5105. 5105, the median line between the 5408 and the 4 and the 4816 and the 4816. Here it is. So it starts going up, watch out for 5105. Okay, so this pink line that we have at 4816 is a very important key level. Let's go now to the price breaks above it. It's above it now. We see on a 30-minute time frame, all right? So you see we start from the 30-minute time frame, then we go to the higher time frame. That's what I'm calling, okay, down top, okay, technical analysis, down top chart analysis, okay, all right? Down top, okay, price action, okay, analysis. Let's go to the daily chart. So what's happening on the daily chart, okay? All right, what's happening? So this is what I'm talking about, my friend. So we see that there is a trend line, this one. Don't worry, I have too many lines, but I will highlight it in a minute. I'm going to color it in light green. You can see this, correcting this point and this point on my daily chart of the NASDAQ 100. This is the trend line, okay? Now, with that green trend line, we choose one point on top here, this one point here. I don't want to move any of my lines, so I need to be very, very careful. So we want a line passing through this top. Okay, that is parallel to the green line. Let's do it properly, my friend. Without moving any of my line, I will be very upset if I move any of my line. So I need to be very, very careful. Is it looking parallel? So I'm going to color it also into green. Apology to traders, I don't want to move any of my line or delay them. I need them. So Will you agree that it's parallel now? This green line here and this green line here, we have a channel in place. So what I have done so far, I connect this point. This will allow you to focus more. So this point and this point, I have the green line. Then I just choose one point here. And I draw a line that is parallel to the green one here. Now we have, okay, that you see here, going to, you see, this green one here, okay? I want to change the color for those channels into black so I don't get confused when I change my time frame now, because I want you to pay attention to the pink line at the 4816, all right, and that green trend line. That's why this line and this one here. Okay, so on the daily chart, you can see that the price is in a rising channel, but it's on the edge of that rising channel, the green channel. It's on the edge of it. Let's go to the hourly time frame. You can see that's the trend line that I've drawn on the daily chart. You see that we are on the edge. We are inside it, but we are on the edge of it. And people are selling in the zone, in this zone here. Okay, yeah, the top of the consolidation. They are selling in the zone of 4891, 4887. Okay, in the zone of 4887. All right, they are selling. There are orders to sell in the zone of 4887. All right. So from the daily, you can see the green horizontal, the green rising channel is here, but we are now navigating. The price is just riding along it, trying to break above it. So if one wants to buy for swing trading purposes, it will be better for it to break above the top of the green channel and then to pull back to retest it, or to retest the zone of 4887, that zone. And if we receive a buy signal after the pullback, we will enter the trade carefully on a 10-minute time frame. So breaks above the green trend line, pull back to retest it. We wait for the clear-cut signal on the hourly time frame, and then we select a low-risk entry point or the 10-minute time frame. All right? But now you see that there is a triangle here, which I'm telling you that anything is possible. All right? Anything is possible. There are sellers in the zone of 4887. So it's a level that you don't want to forget, 4887. It's a resistance level ahead of the 4816. 4816 critical key level, but there's another resistance at 4887. All right, I'll leave it here, 4888. That's a nice level also, okay? So you want to be bullish as a swing trader, allow it to break the ball, retest the green trend line, and then use a top-down trading method at a retest point without assuming anything. Prior to bullish signal above 4888, and prior to bearish signal below. But as a day trader, we can play it from here because I'm on the hourly time frame. It's on the edge of this triangle. You remember the triangle? We can scalp trade, a day trade from this, from the edge of the triangle to the top. You see people are coming out now, so they are buying here. As it's approaching the top of the triangle, as a day trader, a scalpless, they are coming out. And then there is a group of traders selling at the top of that triangle. So there is a consolidation within that triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. See, it's going from the low end to the top, back and forth until we breaks above it. Then we have an opportunity for swing trading, okay, which means breaks above the green trend line or the level of 4887, pull back to retest it, and then we implement a top-down trading method. This is about NASDAQ chart analysis with precision. In my view, there is one more wave, the fifth wave, that we are expecting, okay, on the monthly chart for the NASDAQ 100. Okay, the price is now above a key level, 4816, but there is a resistance at 4887. All right, ultimate, okay, bullish target 5408, midpoint bullish target 51 48. Priority to bullish signal above 4887 and priority to bearish signal below 8 for swing traders. For day traders, we will play it, okay, on the hourly time frame, 30-minute time frame with the triangle that we have seen here. If you have any question or suggestion, put it in the comment section. And in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. This is about NASDAQ chart analysis with precision. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders.